What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Infinite Gains, and we're going to be doing a SPY and Nvidia and a few other stocks update video. So we're going to be starting with SPY. SPY is like pretty simple. You're just trading in this channel like this, and you can actually see the breakdown of it. So we are on the 4-hour chart. So we had a rejection at the midline. You come test the bottom of the channel. You slip out, retest, and you have that pretty big dump. And now you're coming back up to retest this, and you're actually in another channel here that you can kind of see like this. Right, so that's pretty simple as well. So yeah, you're kind of like in this channel to the upside, and I think that you'll be able to retest this channel and then get a rejection at this 564 area. So if we shoot down to, let's say, the 15-minute, let's take that off. We can remove that. Yeah, so you can see that, like, the short-term channel that we're in right here, and you were able to get above that midline, and you're actually retesting it right now, as you can see. But like real short-term price action, you kind of broke out of this little channel here, and now you're making this like flagging pattern right above it. Which, I mean, I actually posted this like in the Discord. So I do post like updates if you want to join the Discord. Like, I put this chart in there. But yeah, this was like the SPY update, and I posted that on Friday at 553. I said you were going to shoot out of the channel, come back and retest it, and then shoot up. So like we look at what happened. So like you kind of broke out of this channel, you're retesting. So hopefully what plays out is you're actually able to just break out of this. And then you're going to shoot up and retest this 4-hour trend, right? This trend that you're in, right? This channel. So like you're going to retest the breakdown. And that's at like 564, 565. It depends like when we get there. So, and then I think what's going to happen is you're probably going to get a rejection. I mean, you're going to see resistance at that point. Like you're just going to see resistance. And so I think what's going to happen is you're going to hit this point, see resistance, break down of this short-term channel, and then head down back to the downside, because you're kind of doing like a blow off the top, and then this is your 20 SMA is going to shoot below your 50, and then once we start dumping, your 20 is going to dump below your 100, and then you're probably going to retest your 200 SMA all the way back at 505, depending what happens like when we get there. So I think the market has a little bit of juice left, and then it's going to dump again. You can try to make it back into this channel, but and try to go for a new all-time high, but like I don't know, I think you're just exhausted at this point. I think you're really, yeah, I don't think that you have much left in you. So that's SPY idea. We can kind of try to reevaluate once we retest this channel and like see what's happening. So Nvidia, guys, I mean, I don't know how we can get this any better. I mean, we're calling the exact top on the video. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're calling the exact top. You know, then we're calling this top here. You know, I don't know. Go watch my previous videos. Like, Nvidia's been pretty easy. Something that you kind of just like, I mean, you slip below, and then you reclaim your 100 SMA, and then you pump. I mean, it's really not that hard. So if we shoot down to the 15-minute, we can see, I mean, look how accurate that is, guys. Look how accurate. I mean, it doesn't really get more accurate than this. But anyways, yeah, you kind of try to reclaim your 100, but kind of same idea as SPY. You know, you're almost at that resistance point. This is kind of why it's like, okay, SPY is gonna hit this, have one little last pump. Nvidia is going to try to make it up against this trend here, and then probably head back down to retest that 104, 105 area. Now, yeah, I mean, that's probably what's gonna happen, because same thing as SPY. You have this bearish 20 SMA cross, so it's like you have this little bit left, and then nope, your 20 SMA starts crossing below your 100, and then you ultimately go and retest your 200 SMA. So same kind of structure. You're gonna see the same kind of structure on Nvidia, obviously, as you do SPY. I need to bring these channels. You can't really see, actually. We have to go out to the weekly to kind of see these, or we can just go to the 1 day. That'll just be easier. So yeah, you're gonna see, yep, and that's literally a rejection at this midpoint here. It's a rejection at this midpoint. I don't know why these channels are so messed up, but yeah, you're gonna see a rejection at the midpoint of this channel, right here, which is this trend. This trend here, you're gonna come up, possibly see a rejection at this channel at like 127. Maybe you can shoot up to 130 and then head back down to like 111 or 105. So that's probably what that's gonna look like, what SPY is gonna look like as well. And that's pretty much the main two I wanted to cover. And then we can call, I just wanted to kind of cover Alibaba, because I mean, just look at this insane dump from $321, and now we're sitting at 80. So I mean, I had a pretty massive dump, and you know, this is a pretty big company. You know, this isn't some startup. This isn't some random stock. You know, this is one of the biggest stocks in China. So I mean, yeah. And honestly, this kind of looks like this, does it not? You kind of have this downwards channel, and then you're able to break back up, and like it kind of looks the same. You know, you have this downwards channel here, and now you're testing it. So you're in this uptrend channel on Alibaba. Alibaba. So you're in this, and you're actually testing it right now, right? So, but if you can break out of this small channel, then you've kind of broken out of this larger channel. So this could be honestly a growth stock, you know, long-term investment. So yeah, maybe long that. I mean, it looks kind of good, I'm not gonna lie. If you're able to break out, I mean, maybe wait for SPY to kind of break down, because maybe it'll drag Baba down just a little bit. But I mean, I don't know. This is a more of like a long-term investment. I mean, I think it can recover. I mean, you're thinking about a couple years down the line. Yeah, I mean, this could be a good growth stock for you. Intel. Yeah, I almost don't want to touch this thing, but at the same time, it's like, you know, this company's been around for so long, and I mean, you know, it's kind of just like, how much lower can it really go? They've had such a major breakdown. I mean, that's just tough. But yeah, I mean, probably because like next bull cycle, I mean, I just don't see Intel failing. I mean, and they're trading at such low prices, and it's like, you know, maybe you find support around $19, maybe something like that. But it's like, you know, I don't know how much farther this thing can go. I would keep my eye on it. I think this would be a potential another growth stock as well. I mean, yeah, if you can get in at ground zero, man, if you can get at ground zero, like maybe you go to 10 to 0. I don't even know that's possible. I was seeing on Twitter that they were trading at book value. So, I mean, seriously, it's like, how much lower can this thing go? And I guess that's kind of the question, right? And basically, you got this rejection off your 200 SMA, rejection off your 100. So, saying buy now, yeah. I mean, I don't know. Let's go to our daily EMAs. We'll just go to the 1 day, and then we'll see what's happening there. Yeah, so you got a rejection from your 200. So maybe I would hop back in if we can reclaim. If you reclaim your 200, I would probably hop back in, honestly. But I mean, I don't know. I don't know. This could be a dip buying opportunity. I mean, because you are seeing horizontal support right here. You have horizontal support, and it's like I don't even know if you can drop down that bad to $12. I mean, yeah, right here, if you start dollar cost averaging, this is where I would start dollar cost averaging. I'm not saying YOLO into fucking Intel, but I mean, hey, start dollar cost averaging in this zone right here. That's a pretty good investment. You know, maybe dollar cost average into Alibaba. And these, these aren't like these aren't like Nvidia. You're not gonna buy it $100 and in 1 year you're gonna sell at 1,000. I'm just saying these are potential growth stocks that have. I mean, they're decent companies. Yeah, they got hit pretty hard, and but I mean these are long term growth companies. I mean they're not in shambles. You know what I mean? They can definitely recover, and the chart is kind of telling us that. So yeah, that's Nvidia. That's SPY. That pretty much. I mean, it's real simple stuff. I just wanted to make an update video on that, and then I'm gonna post a video right after this on Bitcoin and XRP, and so make sure to watch that one too. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.